guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to try this, where can I put this? I wanted to try this waver. How is this called? I don't even know how these are called. This guy right here, I got it off of Amazon. It was super cheap. Guys, I got this flat iron from Amazon too, and it's amazing. I'm gonna turn it off because I just wanted straight hair to be able to do the waves. This one was very cheap, and I know there's very expensive ones too. So in case you guys were looking into buy one of these, well, this is an option. Obviously, this is one of the most affordable options. So I'll link it down below for you guys. So this one comes with a glove and 2 clips, which are handy. I always use these. Like, I see girls doing curling their hair without a glove, and I'm like, because I've burnt myself so many times. So this is what it looks like. It is pretty heavy, I'm not gonna lie. Make sure you get the correct size because there are different sizes. This is the 25 millimeter, I believe. The smaller the barrel, the tighter the wave. So if you want more of a loose wave, you have to get the bigger one. I know a lot of girls make that mistake, so make sure you read on the listing what size it is. This one has only 2 heating options, as you guys can see. So I'm going to try it out today. So I do have a little bit of extensions on. I'm like changing extensions every video I make. This one is super cheap. I'm going to put it at $2.10. Let's see how fast it heats up. I like that it has that little metal thing so you can rest it on the table. How long are you supposed to leave that for? I'm gonna leave like these bits out. Oh god. I'm gonna leave like a little section out because I'm not sure if I want it all like... Ooh. It's like it barely did anything. Did I take too much hair? Maybe I have to let it completely warm. Maybe I should grab smaller section. I mean, I'm not mad about that. It's very, very, very like loose. Should I do that again? Let's do this section here. Alrighty. Maybe I really have to take small sections. I'm not gonna lie, it's not that great. Look at that. Ugh. I don't know. Maybe I suck at this. Let me do one more section. Let me do like this section here. Am I taking too big of a section? I don't think so. Less twisted. I'm gonna do it on this side. That's cute. Okay, I think it's coming along. I think you really have to take very fine sections, like very, very, very small sections. I actually liked it like that better. Ooh. Okay, now we're talking. Alrighty, you see that? Way better. Okay. I don't know what I was doing over there. So I think obviously you have to go very slow with this. Like leave the hair on the curler as long as you can. Ooh, that is nice. Okay. I don't know what was happening though. I think maybe I was, put my mirror over here. I was I don't know, not leaving it long enough or something. Let's do another section over here. So I think the best way is this down. Love that. Ooh, I feel like some section that I forgot. Okay, you guys, so this is what the hair looks like. I like it. I'm not gonna lie, for $20, it did the job. Like, I'm not gonna complain. I think I have to do it with better sections. I think in some areas it does look a little messy, but I don't know, I really like that. I did get that line over here, not on this side, but on this side I did get it, so I think I have to play with it to avoid this line over here. You guys see that? On this side I did not get it. I think I got it perfectly. So yeah, so it's not bad, you guys. I like it. I don't know if others are the same when it comes to the temperature and everything. I think in some cases I would prefer it to be a little hotter. I don't know. I think the settings are just to be desired. It's straightforward. It feels heavy, like I said. And you do get like 2 different waves depending on how you hold this thing. So, but I'm not mad about it, and I'm gonna keep using it, and I actually love the end result. And yeah, so like I said, I'll link it down below, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. I've got so many reviews coming up soon. So yeah, as always, you guys take care, and I hope to see you in my next video.